Do you know who you should call when disaster strikes? Meet Dryout Masters, your new best friend in recovery. We specialize in turning chaos into calm. With services like water damage restoration, fire and smoke remediation, mold and asbestos removal, and more, we've got you covered. Our 24/7 emergency response means we're there when you need us most. Our certified experts use advanced techniques to bring your home or business back to life quickly and efficiently. But it's not just about property. At Dryout Masters, we restore peace of mind. We understand the stress and trauma disasters cause, and we're committed to supporting you every step of the way. See the difference with our professional, compassionate team. Check out our before and after transformations, and hear what our satisfied customers have to say about our professional service. We're more than just a service. We're your partner in recovery. Call us today at 480-485-7989 or visit www.dryoutmasters.com. Dryout Masters, restoring more than just property, restoring lives.